Nice. Oh, already prepping the beam. Oh man, out here scrubbing.
Don't use water on the walls because it makes it so much worse. I was like, all right, this is gonna be good. Smear.
All right, I got the black paint for us for that.
Black paint also. This is gonna be the before.
Oh man. Yeah, I'm looking forward to changing this place up.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be so sick, dude. So Dan's coming over this weekend also.
Nice.
For pricing out the mezzanine. Second floor.
Fill some cracks. Oh yeah.
Dude, it looks so small right here. Oh, finally, after a whole year, dude.
So since we got to cut a piece of the wall out anyway, you might as well just a little test cut.
Ah, dude, I'm scared of that.
That's kind of scary.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to be doing that.
Fuck it.
One extra hard for you. Oh my god.
We've been painting the office for a couple days. I like it a lot better than the old yellow that was in here. So now that the office is almost done, we've been working more in here so we can actually get our shop space set up. Yesterday we put the line up on the whole perimeter so we can get a good clean edge on everything and a stripe that goes around the whole way. And then I got these. I'll start putting the Nabori flags up after we finish up with the line going around the whole place.
Evo from.
Yeah, Evo from, boy.
This looks good as fucking.
Alright. Looks good.
Oh yeah, Mikey, good setup.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Nah, that's good. We know it's prep. It's drift prep.
I don't know if it's drift prep. It's more like build prep. It's more like build prep, man. Oh, fuck.
Got that OEM cardboard.
What else you guys doing? Just chilling?
Pretty much.